Hey guys, in this video, we'll show you how to set up a SQL account. To begin, go to this website and download the installer. Double-click the installer. Select, I accept the agreement. Please make sure this step is in this path. If is in program data, please make sure you change the path as this. All this 3 folders should exactly same with the photo. If yours computer default display in program file or program file x86, you just need to remove it. Once done, click next, install, finish. Select evaluation. System will automatically create a testing company. Click yes, if system prompt asks to upgrade. Now, I will show you how to create an empty company. Click on File, Log On. Click on the 3-dot button next to company name. Create new database. Insert the company name. And click OK. A new company created. Double-click on it to log in. The user and password is admin. That's all of this video. Thank you.
Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos, follow our Facebook for the latest update, go to our website for reports and guides. It's so easy.